deepfake. So I think what's going to happen with the deepfake stuff is I think there will be a new technology emerging. I don't know exactly how it will look, but I know what it'll be able to do, and it'll be able to prove that this is authentically me as the human. I don't know how it's going to work, and there's a million people to tell you all the reasons why it's not, but I see money flowing there. Specifically, DARPA has challenges, government agencies have challenges to try to get people to create this technology, but there will be a time where there's some way, if I'm watching an address from the president, that I know it's an address from a president through technology.
It's so funny that you say that, because I was talking to the CEO of Tavis, which is literally, hey, we'll let you make your own AI clone and you have exclusive rights over it. And I was literally telling him, this is amazing. You're the first out of all the kind of clone yourself, deep fake kind of AI tools that are out there that actually says, you're the only one who'll have access to this. No one else. And people can't clone you. But I told him, you need to put some kind of verification so that people know this was sent by you authentically, not by someone else. Because it's okay if it's AI, but it's not okay if it's someone scamming us. And I think that is one of the most prevalent things as you get into the business world. Everyone's trying to scam everyone. I think that's why I try to focus so hard on figuring out like the ethical or the right ways to leverage these AI tech tools. And why half the time I tell people, oh, I know what tools you're talking about. I know what you need for your programming. Don't pay for those. Like, it's a waste of money at the stage that you're at. It might make you feel good paying for some of this exciting new tech, but at the end of the day, there's cheaper and more efficient solutions. We're just used to paying money for things, and it's not really going to work out in a lot of ways, because a piece that a lot of people don't think about, it's not just about the amazing AI tool. It's about the human using it and your ability to turn that thing or that new software, that new tool, into a part of your daily habit, into your routine. How many subscriptions have you paid for that you've never used?